Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to change scenes in Godot with code. So I have two really simple scenes set up. Here's the first scene. It has a color rectal label and a button. It's pretty simple. That's all it has. And then this is the second scene. It's the exact same. So I'm just going to add a script to the first scene. Just keep it normal. Delete everything, and then I'm just going to a add a connection to the button so it knows when it's pressed. And then the code is just get tree dot change scene, and then the path to your scene. It's pretty simple. Just get tree dot change scene, and then in the parentheses should show up all your scenes. Then just click on the scene you want and press enter. It's that simple. And then I just copied and pasted that, and then went over my second scene, added a script to it, and then added a connection so I could tell when it's pressed. Just like it's the exact same to the other scene, except for I just changed the code so that it doesn't go back to this scene, but it goes back to the other scene. So I just changed it to go to the other scene. And then this should work perfectly fine. And as you can see, this works pretty well. See, here's the scene, first scene, and then when I press the button, it changes to the second scene, and I can do that as fast as I want. I could spam it. Works perfectly fine. And guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down what you want to learn next. Bye.